How to control profanity filter on your page on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to control profanity filter on your page on Facebook app easy and quick. First thing, go to your Facebook and here click on those three lines up there and click on your page. Now all you need to do is click on the setting icon beside the search icon and choose the first option, which is general. Wait a second and scroll down and you're gonna find content moderation. Click on it and you're gonna find profanity filter. Click on off or medium or strong, whatever you want. You can choose to block profanity from your page. And this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.